Hi guys! Let's try to determine if the following situations ba ay considered permutation or combination. Pero paano ba natin malalaman na permutation siya or combination siya? Tandaan ninyo na kapag ang situation ask you to arrange, okay, objects or yung position is important, then that is permutation. Pero if you are just choosing, selecting, or just forming a group, ibig sabihin, hindi importante ang position, then that will be combination. Okay, let's try number 1. Choosing 2 desserts from the list of 5 desserts. So, you are just choosing 2 out of 5. Hindi importante ang position at hindi siya nire-require i-arrange. So, meaning this one is combination. Next, number 2, matching your outfit with accessories. So, you're doing the matching of your accessories and your outfit. Ano ba? Nag-arrange ba kayo doon? Is position important doon sa situation na yon? Hindi, di ba? So, this one is combination. Number 3, forming officers of an organization. So, you are just asked to form the officers. So, this one is combination. Next, determining the top 3 winners of the beauty contest. O, top 3 yan. May first, second, third. So, ibig sabihin, we are having the position, di ba? So, number 4 is correct, permutation. Number 5, arranging 4 different frames in the wall. Oh, there's the clue word, arranging. So, you have to arrange the frames. So, this one is called, or this one is considered, yeah, correct, permutation. Now, you try number 6, choosing 5 members to form a group. Is it permutation or combination? Ano sa tingin nyo? I-comment yan sa ating comment section ha. And please don't forget to follow for more math videos. And remember that sharing is caring. Bye!